YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl Where Secrets coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And y'all, this is gonna be like a really short video. As y'all know, Bath and Body Works have their semi-annual situation going on. I didn't indulge when it comes to like lotions and sprays and stuff. I wanted the candles. So you know the candles got to like 11 and some change. I refused to pay that too. So I was just browsing, and I came across candles that were like, what were they, $6.37? And y'all, by the time I bought 7 and tried to go back to buy more, they were sold out. And they only had the $11 ones, and I'm just like, I'm not paying it. Like, I refuse to. So y'all, this is a little heavy. And y'all, I got the same one. So it comes like this. It says the world's best 3-wick candle guaranteed. And y'all, they literally only have these left, and I bought 7 of the same candle. And this is in sugared pecan pie. And then, oh, the notes. The notes: gooey brown sugar filling, toasted pecans, homemade pie crust with natural essential oils. It smells like food. I love stuff like this. Like, I like their other one. It smells like Starbucks. Like when you walk into Starbucks, I think that one's called Paris. Yeah, I like their limoncello. Definitely the strawberry pound cake. I love all of those, but y'all, I had to get this one. And it smells so good. And y'all, even the little pictures got pies. And like me, I love pumpkin pie, apple pie, everywhere a pie. I'm trying to find a way. Well, 7. I'm trying to get them out the box. I can't get them out the box. And it was $6.37, $6.57, y'all. And I knew it was gonna get low, cause you gotta watch them. Like, you gotta be like on some type of stalking type stuff with Bath and Body Works, y'all. When I tell you I was stalking them, cause I'm like, even though it's cheap, cause you know regular price, their candles are like $25, $25, $26, whatever, close to $30 for a candle, and I'm just like, I can't do that. And even when they went on sale, 11, I still can't do that either. 6 I can do. Because when you go to Walmart, their candles will be between like 3 to 10. So 6 I can do, y'all. So yeah, I'm not sure if, well, yeah, they don't have them online, but definitely go into your stores, because sometimes they have them hidden. You gotta walk up to the, you know, the clerk discreetly and say, do you have any on sale candles? $8 candles, $6 candles. And usually, you know, I've looked up on candles that way too, but this time I was not going into the stores, dealing with crowds. I went online. But yeah, y'all definitely gotta check out Bath and Body Works, and I'll see you guys on the next video.